Dear friends, for doing the correction work of the PDF files which are submitted by the students to us in the form of a paper, test or a simple assignment, for doing the correction work, we can use an extension Kami. It is a very good extension by which you can do the correction just like you do with a simple pen. So what you need to do is you have to install the extension Kami. Google it, Kami extension for Chrome. Go to the web store and click on Add to Chrome. Add extension. Now this extension is added to your Chrome browser. Open the classroom. Suppose this is my class and I have given one assignment to my students, that is paper to do. You can check it. I have assigned a paper to my students. This is the test file. And as it is just for the sake of creation of this video, I have given two questions and I have to assign the marks as per the paper. It was of 20 marks, so I'll assign. And now I can show you two of my students suppose have submitted this assignment or the paper and I have to do the correction work. Click on the paper which is submitted by the student. And when you are ready to use this extension for the first time, you have to authorize your Google Drive. Click on authorization. I want to use the same account. And these are some permissions which are required to be given for using this extension. Click on allow. And once the authorization process is done, the paper is opened for you. Now you can do the correction work. For beginning the correction work, you have to click on this checkbox, that is grade with Kami. So all the assignments that you will be receiving, they will be automatically opened using Kami extension. Then you click on drawing and select the pen color by which you want to check. Now for doing the corrections, use your mouse. Suppose in this statement, this is error. I have marked this error. I'll write what correction is required. Then the rest of the statement is okay. So now I'm going to assign the marks. Suppose I'm giving 8 marks for writing this answer. After this, I'm moving on to the question number 2, and by checking, I found that this is the error here. I'll mark this error and write the correction which is required. Instead of this bracket, this is to be written, and rest is okay. I'll write here, and suppose again I am assigning 8 marks for this answer. So total marks assigned to this student by me are 16. I'll write here 16. and I will not return it. Listen carefully, I will not return it. That means these changes are saved. I have done the correction work, but I am not returning the paper to my student right now. Now I close this. I open the second paper or the second assignment that I want to check. And now you can see no need to check it for the second time because it is already being checked. So this student has just given me the answer of only one question. So I'll just do the correction and it is okay. There is no error. I'll just assign 10 marks. And here I'll write 10 because one question is not attempted by the student. Again I am saving because it is a drive based extension program, so it is automatically saved. Otherwise you can click on this button for saving it. You can see autosave is checked, so it is automatically saved. So in this manner I will do the correction for all the papers that are received. After doing the correction work, whenever the complete correction is done by me, I will click on the checkbox against the name of the student, or if I want to return this paper to all the students, I can click on this. All will be selected automatically. Or I can click on this. Even all the check boxes will be selected by this manner also. So there are 3 ways. Now you can see this student has got 10 marks. This student has got 16 marks. And after checking the papers, I'll click on these boxes and I'll select the return option. After this, the paper will be returned to my students. Now you can see students will be notified and can check any grades that you have left. So in this manner, 2 papers were checked by me and returned to my students. I can click here to check. These 2 papers have been marked by me. So in this manner, it is very easy to do the correction work if you have a large PDF to check. That's all from my side today. Thank you so much.